Hello everyone, this is Rensholmen. In this bay you have good protection and this beautiful view over the ocean.
Oj. Nej, det ser inte...
Nej, det är ingen kamera här.
Du kan ta bort om...
Måste visa hur fint nya steget funkar. Earlier this spring I installed this handle that makes it easier to come up from the water. And we try it out now.
Vill du prova flyttesten?
Ja.
Vill du prova flyttesten?
Helvete.
Ja.
Jag gillar.
I asked Linda if she wanted to try out the new life jacket.
Stå på lignen. Oj. Vad hände?
Du kommer ner en bit under vattnet.
The water is a bit cold, but Linda doesn't care. She just loves the water.
Helt teknik. Jag vet. Teknik är fel.
Funkar stegen? Går det att komma upp? Testa komma upp.
Funkar bra. Bara se så här.
A typical evening looks like this. I prefer hanging out on the rocks instead of being on the boat. The next morning it was time to leave. I have to go home and work a bit. I don't recognize this white line we have on the cliffs. Can someone tell me why we had this white line in the beginning of this year? As usual, I loosen the lines a bit, the same amount on both sides. I try to do everything slow. You do less mistake that way, and everyone around you get really calm, and they see what you do and understand it. Couple of pushes on the anchor winch to get the boat going. Then I just take up the slack. The leaded line will draw the boat backwards when it sinks. And here the iPad doesn't start. The battery is completely worn out on it. It's expensive to have a boat, I guess. I have a paper charge below, and I probably can find my way home without them. But if I should hit the bottom, I should never forgive myself. So here I take my phone as a backup. And I'm looking for this shallow area. I know it's one at the port side in the beginning, and further out we have one on starboard side. And in this water we see them very well. The anchor is still in wash mode, so it's time to take it up. The windlass has automatic stop at the wash mode and at the end. But the safety line you have to attach manually. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.